What's up, my YT homies? It's Alethea, and I decided to come back in with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Milani Conceal and Perfect new concealers. I actually did a demo of me putting on the concealers and all that good jazz. So if you would like to see me, just stay tuned. Okay, so I've already done my eyes and I've color corrected, and now I'm going to put on my foundation. I am, for the sake of this video, even though I go back and forth between my Too Faced and this, going to use my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, and I do have the number 11, and I think I probably should have gotten a number 10 because once this oxidizes, it doesn't oxidize a lot. I can see the difference with my complexion and the foundation, that is a little bit darker. So I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on, and then we'll go ahead with the concealer. I have used the concealer. I tried to make this video when I first received my package in the mail, but my color, my videography, so to speak, something was going on, and so the video was like, it was horrible with the color, so you really couldn't tell. Even with another video that I am going to post, the color in that one was just off, but the whole video it wasn't. So it was just the end part. But something happened one day with my lighting or something, and it just made my color go off. I mean, it just made it really, really off. So when I ordered this concealer, I ordered numbers 150 and 155. 150 is natural sand and 155 is cool sand. When I ordered these, I ordered two of them. I should have ordered 145, and I'll show you why. You'll know why in just a moment. So my purpose in ordering two was because, just to be sure, because like for instance with the Milani foundation, so this is number 11 and this is number 12. So I'm going to put 11 on my finger, not my finger, on my hand, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So this is 11 on my hand, right? So I'm going to put 12 right by it. When I bought these, I really couldn't tell, but 12 I should have just totally left in the store, because I cannot summertime nor wintertime to wear 12. You see that 12 is just too dark for me. So because there was such a big jump between 11 and 12 on the foundation, I didn't know if there would be such a big jump on the concealer. So I'm going to swatch a little bit on my hand so you can see 150. This is 150 and this is 155. So 155 actually, and you can't tell right now, but 155 I could actually probably use like as a foundation, use the concealer as a foundation without even using it as a concealer, because it's so close to my skin. So to conceal, I am going to use 150. While 150 does conceal, and it's, you know, but it's so close to my skin tone that yeah, 145 would have been better, or something like that for a highlight color. But I will tell you this, I have used this concealer all week, and this concealer is like bomb.com. I really like this concealer. It's so smooth and creamy. It just, I mean, it just spreads on like some butter. It is like, it's really good. And why do people say conceal imperfect and not conceal and perfect? Because whenever I see people make videos, they say conceal and perfect, and I'm like, it's conceal and perfect, because you're concealing and you're perfecting your skin. So I don't know, but anyway, I digress. So I'm going to go ahead and put my contour on, because I'm just gonna let this sit just like I do other concealers. And what I've learned from this concealer is it does not move around. It pretty much stays in place. You know, some concealers you'll let them dry, but then when you go back to blend them out, they still kind of just move all over the place. This concealer does not. It does not move all over the place. Alright, so what I am going to do, and I've been doing this week, is taking 155 and kind of just putting it around here, around my little smile lines a little bit and things, because like I said, 155 is more like a skin tone color for me. And y'all know I told y'all I cannot stand my little lines right there, but they're there. mean, when I say this concealer stays in place and it doesn't move, because some of my concealers, when I go to blend them out, I have to go all the way back here. Now I can drag this here, but I don't have to. But the reason why some concealers have to go all the way back here, because it turns around and it's too much and it moves, so I have to get it spread out. But with this one, I don't have to unless I want to. But you see how easily that blended in? Now, is this going to take the place of my Too Faced Born This Way? Definitely not. I like this concealer, but to me it's not on the level, so to speak, with my concealer, my Too Faced Born This Way. But will I use this and will I try 145 to see what it looks like? I definitely will. I just need to go ahead and order it, or if I don't order it, wait until it gets in stores, because I don't think this is in stores yet, because I ordered it the first day it came out online. So I'm just going and kind of to make sure that there are no demarcation lines, because y'all know when people be looking like they have on the mask, and I do it sometimes too when I don't blend that demarcation line out. So I'm going to go ahead and set this and finish off my face, and then I'll be back. So basically, as you can see, as I showed you all the colors, I got 150 and 155, which are natural sand and warm sand. How do I feel about the concealers? I definitely like the concealers. I definitely will keep them in my rotation. As I said in the video, they do not, they wouldn't take the place of my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. But in this concealer, you get for $8.99 you get 0.17 fluid ounces, which I think is a good amount for $8.99. But if you go on Milani, like when I went on Milani website and I ordered these, I got a discount. I think that, I don't know whether the discount was on shipping or whether it was on my order, because if you get a certain amount, they ship free automatically. But I didn't purchase enough to get the automatic free shipping, because that's $35. But I had a code, I think, for free shipping. I did get the concealers, as well as I did get a bronzer. I do have this on today for contouring. It's a bronzing powder. It's Silky Matte and it's their number 4. So I did get this as well. So, but yeah, as far as the concealers go, I really do like them. They are not in stores as of yet, but they will be coming to stores soon, I would assume. That's basically how I feel about these new Milani Conceal and Perfect concealers. And so yeah, go ahead and check them out, especially if you're a person that does not like to buy concealers on the higher end of the spectrum. These concealers will definitely work for you. When in comparison, let's say to ColourPop, I definitely like these better than the ColourPop concealers. I do like ColourPop concealers, but I like these better, and definitely better than the LA Girl. So overall, I think you would get a good vibe for your money. So if you would like to check these out, I suggest you check them out. So that is it for this video. I'm going to get on out of here and get started with my day. Please don't forget to comment, like, rate, subscribe before you get out of here. Like and rating are the same thing. I don't know why I say that sometimes, but comment, like, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.